Welcome to Marine Data Solutions. Today, we'll explore how Starlink Maritime is transforming marine satellite internet solutions. Starlink Maritime is revolutionizing connectivity for vessels globally, delivering fast and reliable internet even in the most remote ocean areas. Powered by a constellation of low Earth orbit satellites, it offers high-speed internet with download speeds ranging from 40 to 220 plus Mbps and upload speeds from 8 to 25 plus Mbps. This ensures smooth streaming, seamless video calls, and real-time data access. At Marine Data Solutions, we enhance the Starlink Maritime service with advanced technologies like the MDS Blender. This innovative tool combines multiple internet sources, Starlink, LTE/5G, and dockside Wi-Fi, boosting speed, reliability, and failover support to keep you connected at all times. Traditional satellite internet often struggles with high latency and inconsistent speeds. Starlink Maritime provides a faster, more stable alternative. Plus, Marine Data Solutions customizes each installation to meet the unique needs of your vessel. We offer tailored configurations and high-performance accessories, such as antennas designed to withstand tough marine conditions. With global coverage, Starlink Maritime ensures reliable internet no matter where your vessel travels. And with over 200 successful installations, Marine Data Solutions is your trusted partner in bringing Starlink to the maritime world. We also prioritize cybersecurity, providing advanced protections to keep your data secure while at sea. The MDS Blender further enhances your network security and reliability. Starlink Maritime plans start at just $250 per month, with additional costs depending on your configuration and accessories. For more details and pricing, visit Marine Data Solutions. Thanks for watching, and stay connected wherever your journey takes you.